Did you know that repair shops and fleets can save thousands of dollars if they clean their own after-treatment parts like DPFs? At Redline Emissions Products, we've been manufacturing replacement parts for diesel emission systems and industry-leading after-treatment cleaning equipment since 2014. We'd like to introduce you to our line of Aqueous DPF cleaning packages. The Filtertherm Aqueous Cleaning Package takes DPFs from dirty to clean in under 2 hours, with no baking required. This package includes the Filtertherm Aqueous DPF Cleaning Machine for edge-to-edge cleaning, the Filtertherm Drying Cabinet, which dries aqueous clean filters in 20 minutes or less, and the Filtertherm Inspection Table for DPF weight, flow reading, inspection, and documentation. At Redline Emissions Products, our mission is diesel emission systems made easy. This is why each Filtertherm Aqueous cleaning package that we manufacture is built in the USA, assuring access to parts, supplies, and expert technical advice and service. And it provides users with the ability to clean multiple DPF types, including light duty, medium duty, and heavy duty or off-road applications with no cutting or modifications. Water is filtered and recycled. Dryer water is captured for reuse. There's no baking required. It comes with a pre-soak station and allows you to do edge-to-edge cleaning with continuous low-pressure, high-volume water. This is a non-destructive cleaning process, and the flow and weight of the filter is displayed on the digital display. If you'd like to purchase a Filtertherm Aqueous cleaning package, visit rep.direct or call us toll-free. Our number is 1-888-295-4670.